Everyone for a higher juicy news. Mema Obibia Akwaba. I had the latest hot nkwa enamede bremo. And so when you subscribe to channel idea, bomodi and say obe subscribe. You be an say obe click the subscribe button. Now wa barely notification. We answer video for be upload no. When the first person I want sa ebe kan yes a video. Afi we na wa like video. Give us a thumbs up. Na afi share ma wo fufro so na when you be here. Na wo and somewhere koso e wo Ghana me mo hano. Afi intentemara yembura ye and seminimu. Ofori Atta special prosecutor declared wanted. Franco wani ni ashaibu one day and someone to Gyamfi. Ama Franco adan sembibri FI Ofori Atta hon. We the credits enkuma solid TV one na wade and some way nyina ara atudwa. And tentemara yenko wana kachi na yenkuti and sema Franco edi to Gyamfi Ofori Atta hon. Inti ni sebuno. Me I dug my heart for John Mama. John Mama is working. Early days yet. But John Mama and send you can be the social college has been Ghanaians. Not also to protect the public person. Ah, yes. Your Mama catches within 14 days. Or for many cabinet. Those set has gone beyond the 14 days. But we have ministers. Yeah. And you can put them into cabinet. Yeah. John Mama catches or bar. You hold a dialogue on economic issue. One can't tell that's why economic whiskey. Yeah. But John Mama Kofa they are dealing with the physical policy of Ghana's economy. Cannot discontinue cases. Who mean discontinue cases are a work court. No catch them so you what ora. If you listen to John Mama critically, I dove my heart for Mama. Mama, if you know what now in 8 years in the wilderness and being any power. But not because I could find the 20 man kufi no samba. Because if you look at the way elementary stage is a primary stage, but the way Mama is conducting himself, we should not joke with it. But in terms of scale of preference, quite a fast a celebrity at the end. And a car you born, now the Kwaku Annan takes over as the president. The first independence ceremony, you work 5.6 million Ghana cedis. 56 billion. You work 3 million US dollars. Hey, what the bad Ghana's come at that time is 16.5 million Ghana cedis. Hey, 160 billion. In 2024, the last time Akufo Addo was the president and exiting the scene, they work 15 million Ghana cedis. 150 billion. 150 billion. It means Kofu market. Yeah, Mama told us he's going to protect the public purse. With this, I agree with Mama. And it's a courtroom you cannot invade into someone's privacy. The way we do politics in Ghana, among foreign issues, but my young fun personality, no. But let's look at the merits and demerits of the matter. For this one, I have a problem with John Dramani, Mama. The man is not well. They cannot say you remember and that's what now. But OSP, some run or the edge, man. Nemra no bubi so na. Up until now, no. So assembly anyhow. Crow young. If you're young company for say to you, about that diem. Tis a 140 yaw. If OSP under the law, it makes you share the woo. A charge the woo, a prosecute the woo. How much more they living? Me, I dug my heart for John Mama. John Mama is working. Early days yet. But John Mama and send you can be the social college has been Ghanaians. Not also to protect the public person. Ah, yes. Your Mama catches within 14 days or for many cabinet. Those set has gone beyond the 14 days. But we have ministers. Yeah. And you can put them into cabinet. Yeah. John Mama catches or bar. You hold a dialogue on economic issue. One can't tell that's why economic whiskey. Yeah. By John Mama Kofa they are dealing with the physical policy of Ghana's economy. John Mama can't near feedback because a whole lot in John Mama. And then small kind the man is threading cautiously. Operation will cover all loot. Yes, over now my president tells 2,000 something. They want to say what they mean with problem. So they be able to say me catch it. Me say one day. But a part of the campaign because you cannot discontinue cases. Who mean discontinue cases are a work court. No catch them say what ora. Asamana Academy. Sir, and the man for so justified. Justified. Watching Nipan 8 years or what? Shabla sometimes I have problem with people, intellectuals and elders. You know, so when you go to a court of competent jurisdiction, justice is riding on a gradual process. But I have profile case in there, so contempt. Maybe let's see. Once I walk on, a assumption as a reality. I'm asking you, Tamako for the case, it was a fast track. As a many, realistic if you tell me, say, we are going to fight against corruption,
na sa nkofo na na ya file omo ye say ya hu say bi omo ye court practices no. Why don't you allow a court of contempt jurisdiction to free them?
But apart from I case here, I can calling down the case here. May I case Ato Forson the case here who discontinue my
Ato Forson case it was acquitted and decided. I saglem I know we should not joke with it. I know dear open case you should not joke with it.
And me tear lawyer we the occur all right team Martin Kweku. What said Debbie sa case in the new class of community that they
one of kind of correct.
On the master I said there's different way commitment and what if we say so I kind of facts, you know, and that's to be ourselves. We in 7 minutes. What do you mean? Can't you say something? Scabby change. Means one day I say I have issues with Mama. Mama, yes, and independent.
And if you listen to John Mama critically, I dove my heart for Mama.
Was said Rojan one in chum.
Mama, if you know what 8 years in the wilderness and being any power.
When that was a Kufa, the Getrude Torkornoo Kufi, no Saba.
Any empire me bunya ni sanka Ghana for nya saade we ye hwe mamuna na ehwese wo ye concert kakra na mo akotena fia so party for ntimi san de oba na mo je utuma na se ehwese wa sesa na ato abade ama.
Yeah,
because if you look at the way elementary stage is a primary stage, but the way Mama is conducting himself, Shagu, we should not joke with it. I'm going to give you some certain kind of figures you show.
Okay,
yeah, so obia you don't respect your history.
Yeah,
only papa and who na teach people I'm just Moko baby, I said, thank you. So whether we like it or not, yes, whether we like it or not, we have a history to protect.
Yeah,
the significance of the history.
Yeah,
but in terms of scale of preference, quite a fast a celebrity at the end. Any car you born, Nyansa.
Na Franco Akwa yare Okoda Hospital went to enter hospital.
Nyansa, who time Nyansa. In 2016, when Mama was leaving office as the president. The last Independence Day celebration, 4 million Ghana cedis.
4 million.
I know you're 40 billion. 40 billion. Now the Danko Akufo takes over as the president. The first independence ceremony here, you have 5.6 million Ghana cedis.
56 billion.
56 billion.
All cedis.
You have 3 million US dollars. Hey, what the back Ghana has come at that time is 16.5 million Ghana cedis. Hey, 160 billion. When do you check 3 million US dollars? At that material moment, what the back Ghana has come at now is 16.5 billion Ghana cedis. In 2024, the last time Akufo Addo was the president and exiting the scene, you bought 15 million Ghana cedis. 2024, 150 billion. 150 billion. It means a coffee market.
Yeah. Tell you, man, Sister Praka.
Saskano. Miss Papa, me from what true. A water. Basing a light in home. I'm a true for the dinner pop. Aye. Basing a light in home. Which match a light. I say, walk on Crambo. I tell you, I did not call him major problem. A in shoe. Who cast all the says carry to go to Maku 75. 75. Today, yes, say. If you want to construct a 6-unit classroom block, it ranges between 500,000 to 1.2 million. Now, per ultramodern and 1.2 million. It means 6 school down Maku 30.
Afebo.
In 2022, Tanzania for president be a friend of Salam was a day. Almost say, if they are going to do the independence ceremony, $445,000 US dollars.
Okay.
All convertible Ghana schema. Now 6,650,000. That is coming 66 billion.
Yeah.
Papa say Nyansa be President of Tanzania was 6 cano or fancy school dying. It means 6 unit classroom block and Maku 8 to 10.
Now, come you come much or independent university about well, Ghana or golden jubilee at that degree.
Mikrom wenchi. Dam no kwa ufi teach me kwa quining. Obi asu na ni wa wo metimi dia ye. KJTF phase 2 wo metimi dia ye.
So I'm not interchange.
Mama told us he's going to protect the public press. With this, I agree with Mama. Shabu, with this, I dove my heart for John Dramani Mama. I don't see the relevance. Where are some fast one day? Obi oba catch us idea we bia na your mama yesu ni mfa so be no di free.
But it be after and can cry be after more engineer. Come say be region independent much more.
Your mama say what you want.
So region 1
tina fie na hwe no TV so na president no mu ye kakra bi e was a jubilee as a flash star house no problem no dey. Why are you crying more than the belief?
Philip region has.
What Philip region have been 40 years? Tell me the impact of this celebration. Tell me. And for somebody in your so. And also the video. Oh, I said that it's a collaboration after what 10-15 years ago. The last one when the man and young archives videos will be home minimum TV so. Time and I come and come and independence now. Debbie, I didn't tell Debbie we video me. Omunko is a video man crying. We are not going to waste our resources. Let's see.
I say March pass and as students they do a
March pass police need to collapse. Now no darko phobia so they need to collapse. One day. I don't know person catch it. Obu oba catch us ade your mama aye bia ade we so ni mfa so bia no nipa no didi film.
E bia mama so ya enchi a.
Oye enchi o de kwa me so. Na mama on gas we twam o. Ya card na share no ye ni capri. Tróuble sisi and one what be company. Now company the bia mo boka. Obe is can be some kwa to party. Maybe so and there's one Ghana can quite be a 742 billion Ghana cedis. Yen tracker. Yen me call that restructuring. Yen me cut of the car the interest in the 20 say the Scandi young for my now why yes and my way now say ko 15 million Ghana cedis 150 billion just 6 hours. Hey, now that's also any problem. And you are justifying what people are saying. You're okay with it. You're okay with it.
So can you burugua?
Yamia do papa Kennedy Agyapong the West Cabby be koji biba ni mfanye. Nyamia sha
Ghana mampeni.
O say na so no mampeni so to college department to turn around the manfo. Okay, ya dia to yeniska. O ma 50 million Ghana cedis ni mfanye if you're okay with it. So na papa. Catch your two boys from the West come the $10 asem the do some $10 million 15 or more the $2 million ni mfanye. Na honto. Asaba na kai. Hey, na so any papa. See you 15 million. Wait. Nkofo we aba nye mama pa na septica o metima kom atuma ko 20 million o be wienu obi nya ska say tamade ne ho.
Okay, Franco yanko isi ano yese Ofori Atta we wanted
me me tan asem tan nipa.
Okay,
Tróuble sis we niye pa
yeah,
open nkofo ba kwam no mo problem pa wa Akufo Addo mamu Ofori Atta kan Asante Bediatuo kan Gabby. Say Gabby don't want kita position. No, prime minister.
Prime minister, shadow prime minister.
Don't want kita position. But he called the shots. What the make sure so no move at the end. He's the shaker. And Ofori Atta mono. Or more na Asante Bediatuo today take concrete decisions for Akufo Addo. They talk about even before elections.
Yeah.
Ubenya MPP Mpayophobia they are registering their display saying say and Ofori Atta mo their actions and inactions affected the MPP ni sa no man kasa hodo bebre. Lasisi committee and come every right to pin them. Make sure say I'll go to a certain kind of target. But there be a cast and back. Must say for you to be an outstanding political pundit, you take emotions and sentiments out, you take feelings out, and you deal with the issue.
If you want to declare wanted on cases be a movie say
wanted. Like declare no.
Yes, special prosecutor.
He should be ashamed of himself. Papa.
Uti I was say and Nema Ofori Atta Yami declare wanted. First one was saying strategic mobilization Ghana Limited and GRA contract be 2 no a procurement of ambulances 3 no a national cathedral project and 4 no also a ECG and Beijing Technology Limited contract termination and 5 no a GRA tax refund account payment minti Asia kwadu maku nu just say that
I believe in accountability.
Okay.
So the office showns na a Ghana fusika. You have to make sure so that protected person why you mwejuma. Debi kai. Yes, nkofo ko Ofori Atta fee.
Yeah.
Military.
Yeah.
The omo call some kwakoyo. From where I sit, a totally unacceptable.
But say be say a stage one Ofori Atta which
all the mention a totally unacceptable. I listened to the special prosecutor say on the small Article 18, Clause 2 of Ghana's Constitution. Won't mean call befie abra and mama who kinds of yes,
but court meeting
that's a court name.
Yeah.
And some court whom my whole kinds of mass search warrant in this manner. You cannot invade into someone's privacy. Because we can't clear. The way we do politics in Ghana, me do to say Ofori Atta in 1 year. among foreign issues. But my fun personality, no. But let's look at the merits and demerits of the matter.
But also CTV footage which I said do lead
why
Richard Japan?
Japan the lead. Why should Japan be there?
Also, can Richard Japan? Oh no, I said
some make Richard Japan.
Case Ato Forson case.
You might have a good case.
Yeah.
Deal. When make money a good case. But you probably money every day the money be politically motivated. That's what I make a for this one. I have a problem with John Dramani Mama.
Okay, but so
ultimate responsibility.
For the by independent.
Yes, ultimate responsibility. For that one, I have a problem with Nippon or Mukwaya Sadino. I'm saying national security. No. These are people they should understand the law. Papa was very smart. Because if you look at Ghana's 1992 constitution, Article 18 clause 2, A and B that cut only one to enter into be private property. Unless you get a search warrant this animal. If some come to search warrant and co get to say become small. He wanted to be very smart and says with him more. Lasisi, Franco, many tea. I believe in accountability. But sometimes a year there, all reforms are not. Today, I see a lot of NDC political appointees happy, saying, "Oh, me tell John Jenapo. So Papa no we Ghana so why yera ne sa no ma no ene sa no ma. Obi cheche, obi no bi kura cheche free TV so parliament. Obi say we Ghana, obi say we John Jenapo kikai bi. Ono kana. Ma me ka say otilo, ono na e ka sa say. Okay. Me kai. Sa de we yes so mu ready Papa ni feel. NPP did the same thing. NPP. Sa John Jenapo mu ready ni feel ko fa na laptop ni phone. I check opim UK. It is wrong. We should condemn it. Gemine kaini ene oye attorney general. They read his house. Jeti question no ready ni fiega. Enya de papa, enya se so. You na post the phone password na ya. Say opim UK. Momo ko share. They can say as a policy na it is about vengeance or revenge. I am here so fear mo. Say problem betima say at any material moment. We are don't say 8 years and what. I say a bit must at any material moment. So I totally disagree. But my who say NDC for the Bianiaji. Even MPP for this one yard. Mamma Casa me. And I'm a and a MPP pen will be frame. And what catch me say. And I know Paul Betty me. I will a kind of issue. No, 7 years. Can offer at the metric 10 o'clock. Now catches a yes, I'm my tomorrow. I told him point blank, yes, I'm my tomorrow. What's Franco? I'm going on my wife here. I'm not looking at the personality. I'm not going to attack his person. I'm going to attack the issue. Me, selling a yes, abomino. A bit number saying we be share video. Obia be kase nan kese Franco ni OSP ni. That is their opinion. Yeah. But from what I know and from what I read, any the meaning no. Somebody I should go the opposite way. I mean, yes, that is me. The special prosecutor. Yeah. Not just disappointed, but highly disappointed in him. Why? You be a boy and say a boy and say, Casana bones and my mom is a man. The oil for public sympathy. Yes, he carried out or Lasisi. For public sympathy. One was it the man now he declaimed as wanted or fugitive. Yeah. Maybe so a case will be a wanted as it anything. Will be a pen you who a buy pen. Thank you. To fugitive patches will be called what Johnny. He's into hiding place. Yeah. Shabula Sisi. Franco. Another. See, I'm finding some problem. Now, my problem, no. My mama lawyer said, can I only do home coma? Can you declare me, sir, Myra? Debbie. So relax. And go bear for emotions in Tonchain. They are talking of Ofori Atta. Maybe most of politicians say, yes, and I'm straight. They are talking Ofori Atta. Me, or meeting the charges in Yabo. But some bar, as some are for I did now, but I say, yes, my Panayra. Yes, I Johnny. We're getting no Iranian, and yes, I that's easy. The Biame catches a mere we bam. That's easy with you. On the 2nd of January, and already the Eric Ofori Atta through his lawyers. Ye from Minka Premu or say Bonsu Bruce, Kathleen and partners. These are the official solicitors or lawyer. And what already did Ofori Atta. On the 2nd of January, and I Ken Ofori Atta actually mad the then chief of staff. So on Tiapo. So he's going for medical as a assistance who said, check up our butcher. Yes, on the 2nd of January 2025. Otchere ni wie no na okoye. Na okoye no. And on the 24th of January 2025, the special prosecutor communicated to him as a suspect. Because I know about they feel and think they just paddle or meddle himself in Normandy, and they want to make sure so only begin come. Now, the lawyers for the special prosecutor rise back. Yes, rise back to the special prosecutor on the 31st of January 2025, telling him say the man on Tiapo, only Ghana, and any corresponding person or Yebiano, they can deal with him. And the Attorney General wrote back to them on the 5th of February. Said, Gabby, media may catch them. I want the man in person. I want him in person. I want to deal with him. And no more lawyers, nothing. And our lawyers also say the man is not well. And it will be extremely difficult for the man to come. Initially, the lawyers told Papa and say they cannot guarantee say it will be indefinite. They cannot say and only they say no, that be a Papa number somewhere match. Papa ne kwa surgery yes and the special prosecutor no. Special prosecutor no fix a date in March. Na yenshia na yeni yonkomo. Lasisi. On the 5th of February 2024, lawyers wanted to deal with the OSP, but he declined. But say, me imagine, say, me person we share already more lawyers in the kind of writer from where we sit. Can I say the man wagira? Or you for the Antonje?
There has been communication. We don't communicating. And you know, I only might be all.
Lasisi. That be a cast and coach. Me say I'm not an armchair journalist. And I mean, found only to be a beggar fucking Ofori Atta. What the member Traha? Or say, my mammy, you, enemy, you. I should be objective, I should be sincere, and I should tell you the truth. Or more US, or more side with mammy. They should look for this hospital for me. They found Mayo Clinic.
Mayo Clinic.
Mayo Clinic. Lasisi. On the 7th of February, the doctors of Oranidi, Eric Kenofer, and the doctors know the hospital. Mrs. Sad document to be any. Papa Bia or Pemasem. And I kind of Franco. I know what can occur. Shall me Kenya, and this is medicine in you. Also, Franco, I don't know air cosono. Among Fenyaji, but people are not looking at the merits and demerits of the matter. Do some end this in it. But I don't know, young penny, 2 years, one sir, it is going after Ken Ofori Atta. And then, send a big minister for energy. Naniaji, every actually say, what's because we are incapacitated, wouldn't mean sorry. You do not structure so I special prosecutor. I him from almost so almost so yeah. Now, what I meant to police, some of us because you know the dangers ahead. So many panel want to run. Nasisi, me so more about your more clinic, Mayo Clinic. Okay. A letter from the hospital of Mayo Clinic on the 7th of February 2025. Nasisi, Mayo Clinic, 200 First Street. Okay. HW, Rochester, Minnesota. Okay. And to more US, no Minnesota, woman checking mommy. If they make an try, now listen to what the doctor said. Shabuti. Mr. Ken Ofori Atta inverted commas. Ken, this is what the doctor said. To whom it may concern. Okay. Child, I'm repeating this again. To whom it may concern. It may concern the special prosecutor. Thank you. Hello. Dear sir or madam, Mr. Mr. Kenneth Nanayaw Ofori Atta had been seen and evaluated at the Mayo Clinic in Rochester. Okay. His medical condition necessitates that he will stay and follow up his appointment and undergo further testing and management, including possible surgical intervention in March 2025. Please contact me with any further questions. Sincerely, Ahmed Abdahim, MD, Section of International Medicine, Rochester, Minnesota. Okay. Shabu, body way brain. Now, what Kaya Papa say? He feels that the man is purported so on Japo.
Yeah.
The lawyers of Ofori Ofori Atta transmitted this to Ofori Atta.
The special prosecutor.
So where from this? Where from this, Lamsi? The special prosecutor on Yarida. No, I'm asking on Yarida.
But I'm fees a coin of fast yari.
My fast yari.
For that fast.
Would you be no me no bians of Yari?
Tama, oh papa, Uganda food now someone for Bian Yari. Pubuja Jumanakoro. Which is your cause or
Sasuna Okadia. Me, I don't speak for him. Sasuna Okadia. The man should relieve from his post as the finance minister. Mebwa. From as the finance minister. If you are ready to fight corruption, maybe I'm so corruption, no coordination, you fight with him. The 1 year or 2 years before MP before co-opposition, then a special prosecutor. If you are going by that tangent, because you have every document available to you. I know I'm asking you. You have every document available to you. Let's see, I said my home. Yenya said, let's see, me time me open papa kwa unim wa kwa mse me nyada ne kura ayekanu foriata. But then me catch us assemble and look at the merits and the merits of the matter. Let's see. These are the hospital, the doctors writing officially through the lawyers. And remember, if Papa small case report, say Abia Kenufrata so yare. What is preventing him to do checks over there? What is preventing him to do checks over there? I'm asking now the special prosecutor. Say mind about Moka. Yeah. And you see can be ires. Come on, you can yes kaketwa. Yes, Shabless is in Tiapo, Shabless is Wabuchi. Won't mean when we be a man in investigation, one was a power and so on.
Also, Ghana for now, I said, Cheroakana. Came for that time, Akufo Addo bush and Ghana for special time, be more special time. And he can avoid that almost on that Ben Awyare, why had I buy Daniel, that's when I say, that's easy.
And to pay the pass a whole hospital and the Mayo Clinic in the US of A. And the integrity from credibility be Diago.
And do you see, sir, prosecutor, Faber being
I hear for public sympathy. When you said your mama be, you know. That's easy. Meba. Special prosecutor, Ibai. That Ben who saw the Asama court and what they could be with the Bimda. Boame. When this is Labada, issue. From where I said,
Akufo Addo Etia Kunyaso, where they got what my weather to Jataba. Or could I tell you to Jataba?
Sometimes I hear this kind of politics that we do. And Akufo Addo. Obidi asema akwa could BIM versus the Republic before. NCB3. And Akufo Addo. Time NDC for Papa Yikasa Ato Forson BIM. Almost say the Supreme, almost say the court is working. Yeah. And it's a court of competent jurisdiction. Yeah. So where are we?
But where from? And a situation. Obia Bonina or Mampina.
Actual law letter. Let's see, Mammy Kassam. The special prosecutor, you know. It is level on allegations. Say, be a Phyllis, where you say, the special prosecutor. He's just prosecuting it. The prosecution will go to a court of competent jurisdiction. And when you can't say no, now say Ghana phobia starting heli yedede and it is good. We are fighting, making sure that our people with this can we bring them into book. But it's only a court of competent jurisdiction.
So MP for you say, I didn't see the almost. For that you carry okay.
People for me quite kind. They feel and think say Akufo Addo Mamuno. We Akufo feel as the president. Number me across so crowd.
They said running meeting. Vice president for that.
What I say?
Shadow vice president.
What I say? Till you him or events you boy change you. And so no more kafa Kennedy Agyapong. Go and listen to the big men in the MPP who sometimes we get access to them. The kind of things they say about Kennedy Agyapong. I'm my own penasem. But let's see, baby amity. Always as a political pundit. And then the baby will be again corner more can I say become you. You tell me I should deal with the facts.
Yeah. And the facts is all yare.
The man is sick. Papa no or it's almost about being a surgery. In March 2025, Yamameka. These are hospital in the account, and these are Papa no Mamin Penny Dinkum Famo. Or no any managing section of International Medicine, Rochester, Minnesota.
Yeah.
Nidi Adi Ahmed Abdahim. enyam na meka
na yare adana yare so ana wobo Ofori Atta one morning tem
Atamos was the president Ghana sika nya fa ni nsem yare boni kunu alenta yare no bebo na amon wo woni president mi azama na so kan tidentina mahemfo no so ine mpanyefo so mo so yare who can predict the future. The life is an unforeseen event. What does it see? None other woman no so yare. So
do you think say and do you feel say special prosecutor Kisi Agyapong o man time no san ho yare ntana ba
me ba se see say o kasa papa what declare wanted ne fa say di ntepo akofa de naba and if mudri be do ha papa na say agina to kolebu a no da wa e so mfa so yede
but obi say me pese we video we ba
but OSP say mra no de yeduma ne mra na wabu bi so ana
up until now no
so asem bi ni ho crow hu etwa yonko ampan for say etwa duam abodade mu ti say 140 yaw if OSP under the law etimi hwehwe de wawu e charge de wawu e prosecute de wawu a how much more they living
or charge you be a wawu e prosecute you be
we went to court.
Okay, that's a John case.
Yes,
okay.
We went to court under the MPP government. Yango court. Executor. So I was in court. And a judgment was delivered. Even though we know dead men don't talk. Man, who press conference? No, we didn't see. I'm saying that dead man who cannot even defend himself was prosecuted in this country.
No, but parties to start suit, no. Now, OSP versus one versus
versus me
versus who?
Yes.
No,
I'm coming. Why na I didn't ask Moko? I'm Kojinem.
No, so because we are executor.
Oh, will be
in the US.
Yeah,
but of course I get the point. The real issues no never will be only home.
And me assembly na wo.
So no executor.
I'm just said na assembly me call Bedine ko boy. Ya mo Medine. My name was not mentioned in that case. Medine because when he said me executor. I didn't see Kruma. No, you're part of the MPP.
He was.
And so
former general secretary.
And there will be Otiase. Yes, so I'm me yin ho no. I will juma bi a waye. I will be fee say.
And
say twa ye kura na anu ye wo ho brabe yi wan ho no. Crime na wa commit crime. Has he committed any crime?
No.
Enti me hu press conference dey there ho. Ampani for say woni mutrima me kuro ampoma Gyamfi onkun. Woni mutrimu ne ye kan asema ampoma Gyamfi onkun. Ati say onye bone. Na so ye na djuma. Ye friend na we police case be na wom we dede bi anim omra. So oyare na wontimi mma enene wo chena. I say okase bi ene de mintimi mma. But that's the meeting den. Aba no me yi ne ho no.
O say omo na match na Sana wa letter ni.
Oh, so man match. I mesre OSP say o man match.
Ah, be OSP say o.
Afi correct me ba.
Me dey me unu mi amadwin.
Yeah.
Me fu say OSP no. Wanya adwinpo bi say
frakadam.
Aha. Inti no. So say matcha me mate. Na mo me di bibi to so a.
The pressure
beto say match no wontimi ensan fa another story. Enfamba. Me dey sana na adwin.
Okay.
Me dey o say match no beba. Na say OSP ni hwe na e be
special aid at the master John. What say John who you can funu kan e di na asem e court. Na can for that yare dey what prevent you from saying
asama me kan bi ni o. Nipa no ho ye wahi dada. Enti uba no wo di kan ekita a certain kind of mindset. Sai bo ma men ka asem chiro. So bi hu ye wahi na tan obi a ho. Na so be ka sanyansa wo nkra wo mpati. Ananim. But the nipa ni make relevant point. But when you were here, and in who na you were here, as some can won't. So the one you were here, as some can consider and deduce so many things from it and says, as some year. And it is said that be person or me say, Names Mono can now, lawyers lecture and no report to more say no. Who will give them the instructions? None one that Vamao, a copy of I appoint a committee anymore.
Privy committee.
My friend lawyer uncle.
Yeah.
What a lawyer coin. Saba Bibi dies and no Casaman was taking orders from his client. And Ofori Atta is not well. Young Kanokre. Mr. Notice you been through there. Fine. But Shabula Sisi. And I'm going
to be information also we. Maybe I do Kennedy Agyapong so what this information they've also done a cross check a fee. Then
you should come and tell us then you should come and you should not use the word purported. Purported they probably say you are in doubt.
Yeah, I was concocted. Maybe you
use the word purported.
Okay.
So on
yeah.
He should come clean, explicit. I've done my checks. Shabula Sisi or Tiapo. That's how I make a tune. It should not be ambiguous or debatable.
But say anybody be hiding behind say T. Anybody be hiding behind say yes, so sorry, yare. O catch am want to be case with admensiano. And the chama want to me yare. You go to point just if you go there, I can say next week the cast one ma on the whole yourself.
Shabula Sisi.
And as a beard boy, I call hiding yare.
Shabula Sisi. I want to re-echo it again for you. Man, time na o tu kwan. Tiasa make a time na o tu kwan. Not this particular matter nyamai. La CCT, young for the Antonche. I'll preempt say, Baba, then on one himself, a dibony, and I bounce out down emotions living on. Was all Papa Penasem Dada. And you also bring out emotions and sentiments. You are attacking the personality, but you're not attacking the issue. Tama O2 Kwino. On the 2nd of January, O2 Kwino. What was the excuse or the mom? What's one Tiapo? What's one Tiapo? He wrote through the chief of staff to the president. Obian himself. Ofori Atta maybe no. Papa your friend is or say chairman was reading the budget for Ghanaians.
Yeah.
Okay, a 2-year plan and all vetting. It took him 2 days. Yes, one Tiapo. Yeah.
But it's change over you to a child better 3 years or Ghana.
Lasisi.
Franco the hater.
Lasisi.
It seems like defending the man.
Oh, let's see.
It seems.
But the enemy one. I'm not defending him, but I want to tell you the truth. There is difference between Zamakwa the parent for maybe some person you. Maybe that. But then you catch him say, I did Bakwa Maya exceptional. And I say, do be a canoe. Oh, be a free say, young fat this road. You can bring something idea, that to be as well as the facts. I did with you. The Franco canoe. Me say, come on, O2 Kwino. What was his excuse?
Also on Tiapo Kwino.
Saturday, some winner mine.
But so himself.
Lasisi.
Abandon the other Ofori Atta take Ghana will be enemy. You know you.
Lasisi. You a journalist, but people respect you so much. Why are you bringing out emotions and sentiments in this? I'm asking you. And another day, so Kennedy Agyapong Kojo Kyeremanteng or Konas say Queen Bibia. No, be said not Kennedy himself. I didn't see any war force. Why are you going to be happy?
I don't know. You can't. Some question. So Ubia will tie chantro. Ubia or tie chantro. And what tie yard or yarn. And Ubia, even your class choir will sue you. Because a crab of the one or the yadi at that center fee. Ubua on yes, I don't know if you come to acquire the genuine. Where can for that and the antis be or be any garage? Was it antis bay? Ah, Yantia can I bet that I say. I national Getrude almost solicited funds. No one will budget and we $330 something. Franco.
What's my walk? I'm not saying what's my can I crew. But let's look at assuming now, as some I can, we don't bring moral issues into it too. As some of my panagina, so what can I say? Can Ofori Atta Wayra.
And Franco, can Ofori Atta in Pefi say, national Getrude and what's a member. I ban say Ojana. The Bami can me say, Franco, I said, yes, Wayra. Good. And I say they've been correspondence between his lawyers and the OSP. There've been a medical report and doctors writing through his lawyers to run the OSP. This is about legality. And Marasem, people talk through their lawyers. Asamanyake, can Ofori Atta say now the Koko special prosecutor anymore? If he goes even in person, he will go with the lawyers.
Me, I dug my heart for John Dramani Mahama. John Mahama is working. Early days yet. But John Mahama and Sammy can be the social college has been Ghanaians.
No, so to protect the public person.
Ah, yes. John Mahama catches within 14 days. Or for many cabinet. Those set has gone beyond the 14 days. But we have ministers. How you can put them into cabinet. John Mahama catches a bar. He will hold a dialogue on economic issues. One can't tell that's all economical risk. But John Mahama they are dealing about the physical policy of Ghana's economy. Cannot discontinue cases. Only discontinue cases are a work court. No catch him say what ora. If you listen to John Mahama critically, I dove my heart for Mahama. Mahama, if you know what now in 8 years in the wilderness and being any power. But no, because I could father 2020 man kufi no samba. Because if you look at the way elementary stage is a primary stage, but the way Mahama is conducting himself, we should not joke with it. But in terms of scale of preference, quite a fast way celebrity at the end. Any car you born, Nyansa. Now the Danko Akufo Addo takes over as the president. The first independence ceremony, you bought 5.6 million Ghana cedis. 56 billion. You bought 3 million US dollars. Hey, what the bad Ghana's come at that time is 16.5 million Ghana cedis. Hey, 160 billion. In 2024, the last time Akufo Addo was the president and exiting the scene, you bought 15 million Ghana cedis. 150 billion. 150 billion. It means Kofu market. Mama told us he's going to protect the public purse. With this, I agree with Mama. And it's a court room, you cannot invade into someone's privacy. The way we do politics in Ghana, among foreign issues, but my fun personality. No. But let's look at the merits and demerits of the matter. For this one, I have a problem with John Dramani Mahama. The man is not well. They cannot say you better and I watch now.
But OSP, some run or the age, man. Nemra no bubi so ana.
Up until now, no.
So assembly no. Crow yo. If you young company for say to duem. About that diem. Tis I 140 yaw. If OSP under the law. Etimi hwehwe de wawu. Charge de wawu. Prosecute de wawu. How much more they living?
Yo, it is for winning and some about beto Yaponso and Naya Franco, what they and some do nara to Gyamfi, ye can Ofori Atta Hospital. Mekao say, so when you subscribe to channel idea, but more say, over subscribe, since I had the latest hot Kweku Annan bremo. After we are now, like video, give us a thumbs up, Nafi, Shema, Wofufro Soda, when you be here now, and somewhere Koso, Ghana memoir. Also, with me, otchere, wondering Afenyo, and some way now, comment box in in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.